Imagine walking into any room and instantly making people feel comfortable around you. Not because you're the smartest, not because you're the richest, not because you're the loudest, but because people genuinely enjoy talking to you. Here's something surprising. Most people think success comes from talent or intelligence. But according to Dale Carnegie, 85% of success comes from your ability to deal with people. If you constantly feel ignored, have trouble making friends, or struggle to convince people, this book may completely change the way you communicate. Today, I'm sharing the 7 life-changing lessons from one of the best-selling self-development books ever written, and more importantly, exactly how you can apply them tomorrow. We spend years learning math, science, history, but almost nobody teaches us how to communicate. Instead, we criticize, we argue, we try to prove we're right. Ironically, those habits push people further away. The biggest lesson from this book is simple. People don't want to feel corrected. They want to feel understood. Lesson 1. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. One of Carnegie's biggest discoveries is this: criticism almost never changes people. Instead, people become defensive. When someone makes a mistake, our first instinct is often, "You shouldn't have done that." But imagine hearing that from your boss, your spouse, or your parents. How would you feel? Probably defensive. Instead, Carnegie suggests understanding before judging. Example: your colleague submits poor work. Instead of saying, "This report is terrible," try, "I know you've been busy. Let's work together to make this even stronger." Same message, completely different reaction. Application. Tomorrow, catch yourself before criticizing. Ask, what might this person be going through? You'll be surprised how much conflict disappears. Lesson 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. People crave appreciation, not flattery, real appreciation. There's a huge difference. Flattery says, "You're amazing." Appreciation says, "I noticed how much effort you put into helping the team." Specific, authentic, meaningful. Real-life example. Think about the last compliment you received. You probably still remember it. Why? Because genuine appreciation is rare. Application. Every day, find one person to sincerely thank. A waiter, your partner, a colleague, your parents. One sentence could completely change their day. Lesson 3. Become genuinely interested in other people. Most conversations sound like this: me, my job, my holiday, my problems. People love talking about themselves. Instead of trying to become interesting, become interested. Ask questions, listen, remember names, remember birthdays, remember small details. People remember how you made them feel. Example. Imagine meeting someone 6 months later. You remember their child's name. Immediately, they feel valued. Application. Next conversation. Spend 70% listening, 30% talking. You'll instantly become more likable. Lesson 4. Smile. Sounds too simple? Science agrees with Carnegie. Smiling makes people perceive you as warmer, more trustworthy, and easier to approach. A smile costs nothing, yet changes everything. Not a fake smile, a genuine one. Application. Tomorrow, smile before answering the phone. Smile before entering meetings. Notice how differently people respond. Lesson 5. Make people feel important. Everyone wants to matter. Not just CEOs, everyone. One simple sentence can transform relationships. What do you think? When people feel heard, they become engaged. Parents can use this. Managers can use this. Salespeople can use this. Even children respond better when they feel respected. Example. Instead of telling your child, "Clean your room," try, "How do you think we can make your room look nicer?" Suddenly, it's their idea. Lesson 6. Avoid arguments. Here's one of Carnegie's boldest statements. You cannot win an argument. Even if you prove you're right, the other person often leaves feeling embarrassed, and resentment remains. Instead, Look for common ground. Say, "I may be wrong," or "Help me understand your perspective." This lowers defenses immediately. Application. The next time you're about to argue online, pause. Ask yourself, do I want to be right, or do I want a better relationship? Lesson 7. Inspire others by appealing to noble motives. People like believing they do good things. Instead of persuading through pressure, connect with people's values. Instead of, "You have to," try, "I know you care about your family," or "I know quality matters to you." People are more willing to act when the action matches their identity. Final summary. This book isn't about manipulation, it's about respect. The biggest takeaway? People will forget what you said, they'll forget what you did, but they'll always remember how you made them feel. Tomorrow, challenge yourself to do just 3 things. Criticize less, appreciate more, listen twice as much as you speak. Those 3 habits alone can change your relationships, your career, and even your happiness. If you enjoyed this summary, let me know which book you'd like me to break down next. Remember, success isn't just about what you know, it's about how you treat people. Why this book became a classic. The core message is timeless because it focuses on human nature rather than trends. Carnegie organizes the book into 4 practical sections. Fundamental techniques in handling people. 6 ways to make people like you. How to win people to your way of thinking. How to be a leader without causing resentment. The examples are old, but the psychology is still highly relevant in workplaces, families, friendships, and social media.